tacos, and I found Mexican snacks. So, about a week ago, I went to Vegas because my best friend got married. Photo. Going back to LA, it was a road trip. I went with the car. I stopped at a random gas station and I found all these Mexican snacks. I was like, what is happening? So I got a bunch of them and now I'm gonna try it with you, for you. Let's try it. Let's try these snacks. I'm excited because I love making these videos. However, listen, I would love to just travel the world and just pick up all these snacks. However, I don't have the money to do that. So I can only do these videos when I find the snacks or when some of my friends send me stuff when they travel. Yeah? But let me know if you want to see more of this. I'm gonna do my best. And now, let's start. Campechanas! Zan zan zan! I'm making a mess. Smells like a cookie. Oh my god. So good! OMG, there is a pastry. In Italy, we call it fun. It's like this, and this tastes the same. And it's so good. It's crunchy, it tastes like sugar. So good. Next! Piccerilo de tijuas, semillas de calabaza doraditas. These are golden pumpkin seeds. I don't think I've ever eaten pumpkin seeds, so do I have to open them? I don't know how to eat this. Do I eat it like this? I'm not sure. Yum! I don't know if I have to open them though. It seems too complicated. It's salty. I'm not sure. I'm eating like this. They're good. Like 8. It has, at the very end, I can taste a little bit of seawater. I'm confused. Next! Canelas de Mexico. Canelas. Cinnamon cookie. Boom. Obviously it smells a lot like cinnamon. Yum! So good! Look at these Mexican snacks, man! So good! They're all vegan! Guys, so good. They kind of taste like the polvorones, the Spanish ones, but they're more compact and harder, but they're not as hard as a cookie. They're really, really, really good. They melt in your mouth. So 10! 10, guys! I love this! Next! Empanadas de piña. So these are empanadas with pineapple jam in the middle. This one doesn't have like a distinctive taste, smell. So I'm just gonna try it. It has like jam in the middle. Can you see? So this is very interesting because the pineapple jam is very like subtle and delicate. So it's really good. I would give it a 8. I can see myself having breakfast with this. Next, super rebanaditos mango. I'm worried about this because it's mango and it has chili pepper. Zan 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 zan. Zan 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 zan. Okay. The lollipop, guys. I'm already crying. I can't. How do you eat this? I'm gonna try the other one. Super rebanaditas sandía con chile. Zan 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 zan. Oh. Ooh, I like the lollipop in the middle, but I can't reach it with all this chili pepper around it. I mean, it really hurts. I don't know if I can give it like a 4 or something. I don't know. I'm sorry. I can't eat it. Ooh. Dear Mexican friends, explain to me how you eat this, because I don't understand. You just put it in your mouth and you just suffer until the chili pepper powder is gone. I don't understand it. Tell me step by step how you do it in the comments. Ooh, I have an idea. This is what I'm gonna do. Sorry. Mexican people. I can't. It still has some. You can tell that the lollipop flavor is good, but I just can't handle all this chili pepper. And that's it. Ooh, my favorites are these two, by the way. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see more of these videos. Let me know in the comments and in the eye which one was the snack that you like the most. Maybe you tried it. Maybe you just wanna try that one more than the others. Share and like if you wanna see more of these videos. Like! So I know that you really like these videos. As always, I say hi to these people who send me cute messages. Keep commenting and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share it with all of your friends, and see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah! Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, you are watching
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, you are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.